Hey guys, welcome to another one of my YouTube videos. My name is Matlhodi Banda and I'm a consistently profitable Forex trader. I did already mention that I didn't pay for trading views, so we don't have the replay button. So we're just gonna have to use what we have. Cool. Now, today was NFP. I want us to do a trade recap on that. Okay, yesterday, I didn't really get into the reasons why I said that the market was going to go up. Okay. Now, today, right now, I want to get into those reasons. We were looking on the 4 hour chart, if you guys remember really well. And on the 4 hour chart, this red line is that it comes from over here. It's a 4 hour support. And I did mention that on the 4 hour, the areas of support and resistance, or supply and demand, or areas of sensitivity, they're more they're stronger, they hold more power, as well as the candlesticks. Okay, now because of that, right, that was one confluence. This red line was one confluence. The second confluence is this blue area. This blue area is the 1 hour area where we see that, right, where the wicks were created. And that's where, with my first entry, I said that I would like to see the market go in here, right? And this was going to be my stop loss, or sometimes, or if not, right, the market was going to come over here and then go up. And that was because I have been looking at how market manipulates price and structure a lot. Now I'm gonna delete that green line and I want us to look at what happened today. Okay, we're gonna start on the 1 hour chart. Okay, now on the 1 hour chart, you can see over there that market created a double top over here, which was valid for a downtrend. Usually, okay, this was New York, not New York Open, what you call this, like during the London session, like just after London Open, right? And we see that the market fell massively at that time. That's why we see that black bearish engulfing candlestick. Cool. Now that I looked at it as market pushing down to go up, because I did say that for NFP, GBPUSD will definitely go up. Now, I don't know if I showed you guys this yesterday, but then upon like wait what you call this, like last night, I went to the lower time frames and looked at structure and tried to put channels just to see the gradient that the market is gonna go. Okay, cool. Now that's why we see these two channels over here going up, these black lines, the black diagonal lines going up. Cool. Mark, as you can see over here, price came exactly onto this black line over here to go up. So immediately when I saw that, to me it validated, it was another confluence that market really is going up. Okay, and then this is the star of the show, this price action over here. I'm gonna change the color of that to, let's do orange. Yeah, orange. See this price action over here? If we go down to the 15-minute, it's probably a double bottom. There we go. It's a double bottom over there. Double bottom, and then at 3:30, we were expecting volatility. Now, my mistake when it comes to this is that I said that market was gonna come to this area over here, the blue area, or rather, or also, which is also these take profit areas. Market didn't do that. Market just went up. There was volatility, but not as much as I would have loved. Okay, but I also missed this trade. I was like, today, I am not livid anymore. But when this was happening, I was livid. So I missed this. And thing is, like, I came to the chart on time. And then I had to go and attend something like I don't know if I recorded this or I mentioned this, but like my family needs me more now. Like we've got a couple of things also happening in the family. That's why I'm not vlogging on YouTube and stuff like that. So like I was needed for that, and then like I missed the entry. And then over here you can see there was a re-entry opportunity over here. This is one entry model that I really, really, really love. I miss this at this point. Like I was already out on the road. Like I said, my family needs me. Okay. Um, would I have taken that? I don't know. Don't wanna lie, I don't know. Okay. But that's another entry model. We call this the order block. Um, the order block that aligns perfectly with the neckline. So this is one, two, and then as the second bottom, right? The second bottom is being created, an order block is printed, market comes down to retest the order block. Stop loss just under the order block, entry point at the top of the order block, the wick of the order block, and vice versa with the stop loss at the wick. Sometimes that is inaccurate, like this over here. Um, we'll get into that in a moment, but then you enter that, have take first take profit area as this first structure that was broken, and then second take profit area you will obviously look at previous information and work based on that. So over here maybe we could have this area over here as like the second take profit area. I believe that market will push more to the upside, and now that the market has actually drawn what it has drawn today, I don't know if market will come up to here. But that's why you also have to be able to read structure, okay? Because structure will indicate to you that we're ready to go up. So at this point, market was ready to go up, and this area, this entry over here from yesterday, um, is what I thought was going to happen today. So these are the things that often happens in the market that you have to look at and be like, okay, market is always right. Market is always perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm not always right. Human error happens. Cool. Now I want us to get into this order block. Okay. As you can see over here, there was this wick that probably could have taken you out. So you need to also be very flexible with the stop loss area. You have to look at where the stop loss area, and I mean, trial and error will tell you, okay, where your perfect entries should be and stuff like that. So that would be an entry point. This would be a exit point when it comes to stop loss, and then exit point when it comes to take profit. Me, usually I do structure. So yeah guys, that's that for today. Going into next week, I think I'll do a forecast. We'll do a forecast tomorrow, or maybe Sunday morning I'll do a forecast. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna do my advanced self review. Also, this was my advanced self review, just looking at what the market did today, and then going forward from then. I just realized that the Wi-Fi has been off for a while. I have to go attend to that. So yeah, I am more of a like visual learner. So maybe let me do this for today. I am a visual learner, so this is how I teach myself, reteach myself the stuff. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna take pen and put it on paper, and then yeah, keep it moving. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, tell me what you think. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on TikTok because I posted a vlog. I don't know if it was last night or today. So yeah, that's that on that. Until next time, ciao.